Hi everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to show a project that I made using the pocket folio die. So this is the die that I used, and I made this, and this was totally inspired by Melissa and also Sharon. They did a lot of beautiful projects featuring this die, and I will link their videos in the description box below. So I use this A2 bulky envelope box to keep this one. And yeah, so this is the die that I use to make the outside box. And I added this very cute flower. This is from the coconut mini album set in the June release. So it opens like so, and this is the pocket folio that I made. So for the front side, I added this birthday sentiment as the focus, and then I added this flowers. So this is the flower die, and this is from the April release. So yeah, I think they are super pretty, just like the fireworks. So like it's celebrating the birthday. So that's what I thought when making these flowers. And then here is the inside. So I also made a pocket on top. And here is this one. So you could add something inside. So Sharon did a very detailed tutorial on this die set, and I will show you. So for this one, I use it to make a pocket. So just cut 2 times and to make a pocket with this one. And then it also comes with the layering piece in the nesting piece in the inside. So you could make a inside card with this set. And for this tab, it also includes this tab. Sorry, I missed it in my set now, but it comes with the set. And yeah, I love this shape. And then for this part, I added this pocket here. So it comes with this pocket. You could use it several ways. So to make a pocket, just stick this part and both ends to the page. And yeah, see this pocket. And also I add a layering piece on every page. And for this part, I also use this one to make as a flap, so it looks like so. And you could add photos at this part also. And for this part, I also make a pocket here. So yeah, like so. And I added this butterfly here. So I think I made a pocket. Yeah, I made a pocket at this part because this one is smaller, right? Smaller pocket. So I also used this part to make the pocket. To make the inner card. So it's like so. And for this page, I add the flap on top. My problem that I didn't layer it correctly, so it is a little curved here. But yeah, it's my mistake. And I also added these flowers on top. I think it's super fun. So it's like a waterfall album that you could put things inside. And this is also inspired by Melissa. She showed this one in her video, and I think that is so cute. So I copied that. And yeah, also that is the reason that when I saw Sharon and Melissa made all these cute projects, that I'm so you know, I'm so inspired and I want to play with this die again. So this is the one that I made. I made two flaps at both sides. Yeah, and this is this part. So this is the back side. And for this part, I also made a pocket. And here I also made a pocket. I added this arrow at this part. This arrow is also from the set. And for this part, I added these flaps. See, I made quite a lot pocket, so could put things inside. And here I also made this flap here. Yeah, I also made a pocket here. So I add an arrow at this part and also a pocket at this part. So I think I made it a little puffy, but it's so fun. It's a little, you know, it's the space is not large enough. The width, but it still can be put into this box. But yeah, I think maybe with less pages, just like let's only make these 3, then it's better to put inside this box. But I find it super fun to make this one. It's very simple to make, and yeah, have so much fun with this set. So yeah, it's great to using your scraps with this one. So I find this one really fun, and I want to show you again with this project that I made. And yeah, so for this pocket folio die is restocked on Amazon now, and together with a lot of other dies like the beach bag die is also available to purchase on Amazon now. So if you want to get the dies faster, you can order on Amazon now. And yeah, so that's all for today, and I will link the video links for Melissa and Sharon in the description box below. And also Sharon also made a tutorial video on the pocket folio storage box. So yeah, you could check that if you are interested, and I think that is so fun. And yeah, so that is all for today. And yeah, so I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.